There were actually, when we choosing Transcat to take over our calibration program, which is what we thought we were looking for a supplier to do, and there's a lot for me to explain there. We were initially looking for a supplier to take and do our calibrations for us. We found out there was a lot we didn't know. We had heard word of mouth in a few sites on the internet where people had mentioned Transcat, specifically a gentleman by the name of Howard Zion. So we started talking with Transcat. We sent some of our equipment to some multiple calibration houses to include Transcat, then sent that equipment to NIST. We consider NIST to be the ultimate as far as accuracy. Transcat, by far, their numbers were right on line with NIST. But more importantly for us, we invited Transcat to come in and do a one-day walkthrough and evaluate our documentation, our procedures, our calibration certificates that we were getting from different suppliers. We also had we had an on-site lab, we called it that, and they got to watch a calibration tech do a calibration. And Transcat didn't say a whole lot when they were walking through and looking at all this, so I really wasn't sure what their thoughts were. But when they gave us the presentation and they were able to show us that just about everything they saw had some negative aspect to it, but what really impressed us was how they were able to connect every negative aspect that they saw in our existing processes to risk. We're a regulated industry. We make life-sustaining devices. Risk is everything for us. And for them to be able to so easily show us the degree of risk that we were putting into our processes and product by our existing calibration processes, that was really impressive. That was probably the turning point for us in going with Transcat.